What's going on, people? Today OG back on the screen giving you guys how to time your layups. Now I'm going to show you this clip I seen on Twitter of Black Cobra missing layups, but he's using the meter, and I don't know if that's because some players gotta use the meter because they still can't time with it off, or they feel like the time with it off is broken. But I'm here to tell you guys, I'm here to tell y'all that timing is easier with your timing off. Okay, you have to learn how to time it with your timing off. I'm going to teach you guys in this video. Please drop a like. I'm going to teach it. Break it down, please. If you have a high layup, there's no reason you should have that meter on. You got to start learning your animations the same way like a jump shot. You get a bigger boost with your meter off. Mike Wayne already confirmed that on layups. Okay, the timing, he says, a bigger boost if you master the timing. Trust me, I'm showing y'all it here. 26 driving layup. Okay, we're gonna show you guys 43 close shot, and you know those go both hand in hand. We're gonna break it down. Hit the like. Let's get into this video.
Here's MP, and he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up. And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws. Here's MP.
So it's time to teach y'all how to knock these layups down. First off, people, you're gonna want to turn off your meter. Now this is my lockdown build, only with a 26 layup. Right here you see I get this, well, late, basically. I was gonna say slightly, but it's late, the late timing, and that's because I let it go late. Now you get a bigger boost with your meter off. People need to realize this. Having it on is still like training wheels. If you can shoot with your meter off, how can't you lay up the ball? It's just a new learning curve that you have to take the time to get down, sit down, relax, learn it. Learn a certain layup that you like, just like you did with the jump shot. You don't just use any old jump shot, right? People took the time to learn the rhythm shooting learning curve, right? See, that is just so easy to do that. That's what people don't understand. The green window's 2x bigger. 2K Labs confirmed it. What else do you want us to do? Are we lying now? Or are we just making stuff up? Now imagine when you have a higher layup. I'm going to show you guys me securing layups, right? This is my unfinished lockdown build, okay? Still need to get him his right jump shot once I get my 83 ball. You know, it's a few things that he still needs, okay? Layup is at a 26. You guys seen it in the beginning, no cap. But this is what I do right here. I'm going to make another video on a little method that I do with my lock to get some easy wins. You see I could just clamp players up. The only correction I would say is that you want to make sure you have a little bit more driving layup or driving dunk, because at certain points when you can't get past somebody and they're bumping on you, boom, you're going to get clamped up. But right there you see we get the lane. Right now, to time this, you want to make sure the defender is already jumped or he's not near you, and when you go up, you want to hold for a good amount of time. Okay, you want to release once you're really close to the rim. This is people's mistake. They try to release layups earlier, and how this game is, how the animations are structured, it makes it look like you have to release it like that, but you really don't. You want to make sure you're holding the timing. Okay, now look, once I press X, I'm pressing X right now, and I'm holding it, holding it, let go. You really want to hold it for a good amount of time. The green window is very, very high with your meter off. The 2x, the same way how rhythm shooters get it, your meter is off. This, you get the same amount of boost with your meter off doing this. Trust me, people. Now that's the first layup. Now you see I don't have no ball handle. My jump shot's kind of slow, so unless they give me the wide open, you know, I can miss a few before I knock them down. I'm not using rhythm shooter. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. We're only X. I got morals, people. You want to do that? That's how you want to shoot? Cool. I got morals. Bang. Only with X. I got morals. We actually gonna play the natural way. No cheese, no nada. So I hope y'all can drop a like, show some love, because I'm getting it done. Now look at this, right? We clamp him up. I'm like, okay, damn. He's clamping my shot up. You know, the shot's ugly. I really don't want to use the jump shot. I really like a jumping type of jump shot base. But like I said, until we get our cap breakers, get him to an 83 ball. For right now, I got to work with what I got. But his defense is so elite. His defense is so beautiful. It's like I can go ahead and check up these shots and miss, and it's not going to matter. We're going to get the ball right back. Look at this. Steal the ball. Watch it again, people. I get bumped a little bit, and we go all the way to the rack. Once again, you hold all the way. Now, once again, I have to clarify this. This is a close shot, people. That is not a driving layup, but it does stack onto your driving layup. It's just how 2K's always had their game. It's pretty weird. It's just like how I have another video showing you guys high flying denier comes up on regular jump blocks. Most people probably didn't know that because they probably don't get those type of blocks. And it is the same thing to complete this layup. Same thing. You want to make sure you're holding the X button longer. Don't feel like you got to release it quick because you feel like he's coming to block your shot. Trust me when I say once you go up, just hold it and trust me, you'll get the green. You still have to remember we are also playing a pro play game where these animations are on kind of like timered, and honestly it's like a given for certain animations to go and be a certain bucket once you're past a certain point in the computer system. It's just like when people get the green rhythm dunks on you and stuff like that, and it's like, damn, I thought I was there, or I felt like, you know, it's just certain things where it's like the game's gonna play out and give it to that person. Now look at the great defense I'm playing right here. I told y'all you can't do nothing with this type of lock build, you know what I mean? And hold on, we gonna do another lay to end the game. I'm just checking right now. You get the ball back, don't worry about it. I really love this build. People are asleep. This is the best lock build in the game. I'm telling you, he's just not maxed yet. He don't got all his stuff yet. I don't got the badges on the levels, but this is the best lock build. Look at the type of blocks I'm getting. Trust me when I tell y'all he's ridiculous. Watch whenever everything gets, he's ridiculous. Look at this. Swing right past him all the way. So, once again, on the last layup, and I want y'all to pay attention to something too, what makes the layup more powerful. Not using any stamina. When you don't use any stam, that goes for anything. A jump shot, a dunk. When you can really not use no adrenaline bars, just like how when you see like, trust me, it makes it 10 times a different bucket. But when you don't have to use too much stamina, all your shots get an increased boost. It's like the more your stamina goes down, the more 2K is starting to implement lag animations, certain little slow down effects where it'll make you miss time a little bit. And you see, look, I go straight to the rack. This is a driving layup. You can tell the difference. I'm actually driving more to the rack, doing the layup. And as I get close to the rim, people, what do I tell you guys? Hold the layup. Hold the timing. You have to remember, there's a pure green window in this game. The only thing that makes you miss a layup is the person's contest. Him contesting you at the proper time. You're supposed to take a layup when you know that you have the wide open lane. That's the only thing that stops you this game, people, is his contest. But if you're taking a wide open lay and there's a pure green window, you can green it even with a low timing. That's how easy layup timing is. Anybody else trying to make you think it's harder, they just don't understand the natural muscle memory. Just like when you take a jump shot with an easy pure green window game, it is the same thing for the layups. Hold it till you get all the way to that rim. You can even get a fake green by just holding it longer than usual. That's all I can tell you. Just a tad bit longer than usual. Hold it. Don't try to release it all quick to the rack. You won't do. No, unless you're doing a scoop layup with the stick, don't do that. You guys can see it clear as day on the screen. 26 driving layup on the build. I'm greening people. There's no excuses. Turn the meter off, get that boost. I'm not sure how big the boost is, but it's a big enough boost to where they damn near probably get me up to like a 50-60 layup, and it's automatic because it's free with a pure green window. Hit that like button, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I got a lot of videos coming, man. I really hope you guys are seeing these. I appreciate y'all for showing the love. I'll see y'all in the next one.